Dog and you'll eat, oh, tat. You have to go inside now. You have to go inside now. You have to go inside now. Cobra. You have to go inside now. Come on. You go inside. 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 Here's the situation. I'm supposed to say the next line, Fresh Prince Bel-Air. I have to Tetris these quads in this half of the shed, so it's a little easier to get it in and out, which I will figure out. Organizing that will look completely different. Oh, you want to ride it, don't you? That's how you shift right there. It's easy. It's not difficult. Looks so good though. Just figured I'd do some stuff.
You would like to clean it and ride it.
I saw him do this like foam stuff that they do for the car. I forgot what they call it, and it like degreases everything and whatever.
The mirror's all nice and shiny.
Because that dude just built that motherfucker with like $4,000 worth of shit. These plastics are like a lot of money each. This is a piece and that's a piece, and it's probably, I want to say like close to I don't even know. I don't want to say 1,000, but I mean, I'm not really sure. Well, it's probably $600 worth of just plastic. That's it. I think the last time I actually looked it up. Oh, there's a thing, Mayer. That's who makes it right there. Somebody had to tell me what it was. I didn't know, and I haven't looked at it very much. I always just want to get on him like a horse. I caught offended. Mommy and mamas. A Strider bike. I kept the chain on because I didn't want to break it off, and then I can still put the cranks back in. It's just like a balance bike, and it still has a front brake for whatever reason. I don't know why it came with that. It's like a little, can maybe be a little pit build, just like for fun though, not like my Diamondback or anything. Pretty sweet though, just to learn on, to learn to balance without getting hit in the shins all the time by the pedals. I don't know, it's just different. Kids these days, they're weird. It's different. They don't want to ride bikes as much. I mean, some kids do, but a lot don't. And I'm a total BMXer, skater. They just didn't want to ride that much. I'm trying to teach them somewhat, a little bit more. So I got them the quads too. Have some fun. Little Sports Metallica. Pulled everything out of the shed. Pulled that loft down. Oh, crap. I made a smaller shelf. Oh shit. Okay, I need to make shelves all the way around this bitch somehow. I got all these boxes out of here, all that crap. Took that huge loft down, got a Tetris these four-wheelers into here a better way. And I gotta come back in here tomorrow, but this will be organized a little better. I ripped down all that. I tore every single thing out of this shed, and I just had to put it all back. It's getting late, but made some makeshift shelves real quick. I was 2x4s, just anything to get organized. And now I have to Tetris those into here. We'll see how that goes.
I like turtles. I like turtles.